This video is about basic guidelines. Safe gas handling should be part of your core safety practices. Follow proper safety procedures so that they become habit. Make them part of your routine every time you handle compressed gases. One hazard posed by compressed gas is that of high pressure itself. The U.S. Department of Transportation provides us with a definition of a compressed gas based on the pressure exerted by the gas on its packaging. Gases are normally shipped at standard pressures, such as shown here. Cylinders are, of course, designed to withstand pressures far in excess of the normal pressures. However, the hazards posed by an improper connection, or worse, a dropped or abused cylinder, should not be underestimated. If pressure is the first fundamental hazard, exposure to the gas itself is the second. All compressed gases, with the exception of compressed air, pose some level of chemical hazard. Gases may be toxic, corrosive, flammable, pyrophoric, oxidizing, or asphyxiative. Cryogenic liquids pose the unique hazard of extremely low temperature. Some gases may have properties that complicate the chemical hazard. For instance, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are commonly used in many applications. They also are colorless and odorless, so the exposure hazard is difficult to detect without active monitoring. Some flammable gases have low flash points. In other words, they ignite easily. All gases will diffuse into ambient air. Some will mix with air, some will rise, and some will sink to the floor. But unlike a solid or a liquid, a diffusing gas may be difficult to contain and may lead to rapid contamination of large areas. In the case of a gas that is only mildly hazardous, its diffusion serves to reduce the hazard by reducing the concentration. On the other hand, diffusion of a seriously toxic gas can become a large-scale contamination problem. It's good practice never to underestimate a gas hazard. Familiarize yourself with the properties and hazards of every compressed gas you use. Be alert to not only the hazards, but also the symptoms of exposure, the appropriate first aid, and other remedial actions to take in the event of a safety incident. Compressed gases can be dangerous if handled improperly, but reasonably safe with proper training and careful attention. This video contains some guidelines, but this video is not a substitute for a proper safety training program. If your facility does not have a safety program, Matheson may be able to help you find the appropriate resources. Thank you for watching this video. At Matheson, we hope you found this video to be informative and useful.